Okay, here's a crazy one. Actually, this is, first of all, it's a tweet of maybe a TikTok, and then I saw a retweet of this tweet. Casey retweeted it.
Yeah.
You saw it already?
I did, yeah.
Okay, Mo, have you seen this yet?
No. What is this?
So just go ahead and click play, Will. It has 9.3 million views here.
Let's just went in this on-ramp. There's no signs blocking it off, and I thought I was fucking high. That's just a pit.
What? A pit.
Keep going, keep playing.
Should we describe it for the audio?
No, just let Mo react first.
Okay.
What the fuck? They don't have this shit blocked off or nothing.
It's a puddle, right? It's a
Watch,
puddle
this
of
guy's
water.
coming. There's a guy coming behind me.
Hey, yo.
He slows down.
Yeah.
He's like, what the?
Where's he gonna fucking
Well, you
go?
see the other guy not going
Yeah,
as well.
yeah,
Like,
yeah.
wait, am I the crazy one?
Look at this. It's so on the edge. Oh!
Oh, shit. Oh, it's water. I am high. I'm not actually high, but holy fuck, bro. It looks like a pit, doesn't it? Shit, it's water.
So honest.
Carved out a hole.
Such an honest
Yeah.
experience. So basically, what this is there's a ramp and there's a puddle sitting on the road, and the way that it's reflecting light is making it appear like it's a void.
Yeah.
like it's a hole.
It's also on a curve. So that there's like this.
It's such a bizarre looking situation. So this guy pulls over. He doesn't even want to approach it. It looks like there's a giant hole in the ground. But it's set up in such a way that it looks like you could have gone around it, but it was going to be tight.
Yeah.
And so he waits, and then the next person is also a little bit hesitant. But then once they go, he starts realizing, oh, maybe wait, they're crazy. And then he's like, oh, never mind, it's water.
It's just water.
It's a reflection of their cars.
The third guy is just like buzzing straight through there. He's like, what are you guys bothered about here? It's just a puddle. But it is very
convincing.
Yeah, it's pretty cool looking, regardless. Even just like the image.
The illusion of it.
The illusion is pretty cool at that moment.
That's very cool.
It's almost like a mirage or something. And then
It's a really wet road.
depending on your distance and the lighting and the darkness, it was just the perfect conditions for that moment. And the puddle. The puddle's still kind of a problem coming around the bend.
Oh, right.
It looks deep.
It's a pretty decent puddle. That thing they should probably even that out of there so it can drain out. I'm just saying, side note.
Yeah.
Just saying, side note.
Yeah.